Okay, good afternoon, gentlemen. My name is Mr. Gerhard Steinmayr. I'm coming from Austria, and I have 30 years experience in the field of bagging and palletizing. And this experience brought me already nearly 60 times in your country. Since 2005, which was my first trip to India, and now it's nearly 60 times. So this was a short introduction from my side. Now I hand over only to Mr. Mishra to introduce the PremierTech company to you, and then I give you more introduction about the bagging and palletizing equipment, and Mr. Mishra will finalize the presentation with the after-sales support PremierTech Kronos can give you here in India. Thank you.
Thank you, Gerhard.
Thank you.
So it's really a privilege for us to be here as a part of this event dedicated for chemical and petrochemical industry. So I'll start my presentation without moving forward. So my company name is PremierTech. It's a group of companies of 5 different business lines which driving changes to make a difference of our environment. So this is just a glance about the 5 business verticals. So we have a PremierTech Grower and Consumer. Then we have a PremierTech Digital. Another one is PremierTech Water and Environment. And the 4th is PremierTech Life Science. And last but not least is about PremierTech System and Automation, where the packaging automation is the main business solutions. So as a group, these are our strengths over there. We have more than 5,000 team members, expert team members, which operates from 28 countries. These are our turnover target that's around more than $1.1 billion. And as a group experience, we are already completed our centennial celebrations. That's 102 years of experience, which making a difference to our environment. So, of course, this is a very important thing. We are a global and local. So basically, PremierTech is a Canadian group. We always use a global approach to making any customized or any standard product for domestic, especially for the Indian market, which give you the ease of operations to their very hazardous or complex production process. So this actually combined we call as a global ourselves. So these are the glance about our total across the globe plants. So we have 16 manufacturing plants in 10 countries. We present in North America, Latin America, and Australia and New Zealand and Europe. Of course, Southeast Asia is our part, Maya and Gerhard. So this is specifically for the South Asia part, because here we talk about Indian customer and Indian entity. So we have 6 sites in India. So we have 2 manufacturing plants, one in India, one in Bangkok, that's in Thailand. Now, here is the complete product portfolio for PremierTech System and Automation. So our main brand for packaging is Kronos. It was a legacy of name related to the bulk packaging. We are the innovative founder of a bulk packaging solution in the industry, in which we have packaging, bagging, and palletizing solutions. So we started our journey, especially for system and automation, since 1989 till 2025 here. So we have almost more than 35 years of experience. This was our result for the last year, specifically standalone for packaging automation. That's a PTSA portion, $462 million. These are a specific team, dedicated team, 1,600 worldwide. They are operating for 4 reasons, especially for the PTSA part, which includes bagging, palletizing, and all the automatic solutions. Now, we are a complete, you can say, the single umbrella solution provider for all need of downstream automations for chemical and petrochemical segments. So, here you can see in this slide, we started from our scope of supply from automatic packing solution. It may be different type, valve type, FFS or open mouth and all. Then we have a complete conveyor highway which equipped with all the accessory or necessary items like a metal detector, check wear, rejections, and so on. Depends on the customized and application. Then there is a palletizer. So it's again, there's a different types of things, robotic or conventional. And last one is about the secondary packaging solution. So adjacent of this slide, you can see there is a big bag system itself. So we are also, innovative in this big bag solutions. And good thing is like we are manufacturing this big bag from India only. These are the product portfolio for PremierTech. So the first product is a high-level open-mouth packing system. It's a fully automatic line. So you can see this video. We'll get a better idea about the system in which, so it is our fully automatic open-mouth bagging system where the bag placing by the electromechanical arrangement. And this is our high-speed line where we can bag either in a 20, that's a range between 5 to 50 kg of bag type, bag weighment range. And the bag type can be paper bag or polywoven bag, which can be run over here. This product has been designed specifically for a solid product. So it may be either powder or it may be for free flow granules related to your products. Just take an example like a polypropylene or means SBP, soda ash, and carbon black and all something. So this line can be easily integrated with the complete solutions, including conveyor highway, and at the end of the line, it may be a palletizer or it's a direct loading by the labor. The second automatic solution is a form, fill, and seal, which is specifically designed for high-speed application. Again, it can be compatible for different types of product, like a powder, granules, pallets. So it is just a video which you can see that instead of a pre-made bag, we can easily attach a film roll behind of the machine, and then it is just a one-shot cycle start, and you can easily complete all the bagging system without having any human intervention in the line. So this line is specifically designed for high speed or you can say high volumes application like a petrochemical and for other some industry as well, where the production would be in a volume phase. So this can be run for a 25 kg as a 50 kg as well. Okay. So the second segment is a palletization. So we have three different palletization type. First is a conventional, which already you have seen in your most of the customer plants itself, conventional palletizer. The second innovative solution is a robotic palletizer, which is I would say that a highly demanding right now since last 2 years for a small and a medium level of application. So the best part of this robotic palletizer is like you can easily connect with a more than 2 production line with a single palletizer, and at a time you can make a 2 different pallet with the help of this robotic palletizer. So here is the first video for conventional palletizer, which is related to the polymer and high volume chemical industry, where all the palletization is happening at the top of the stage of palletizer. And you can make it, maximum up to 12 to 14 layers in this with the help of this solution. And second one is a robotic palletizer. So in this video, we can easily say that this robot is making 2 different pallet at a time from there. Why it is not playing? Why it is not playing? Okay, maybe some technical error. The third solution is a FIBC. That's a jumbo bagging system in which we have different types of solutions related to jumbo. Can you? Yeah. So this is one of type of jumbo bagging where we can handle multi-dimensional and multi-weighment range of jumbo bagging between 400 to 1.5 ton altogether. And this solution is innovatively designed for a higher volume as well as a tall size of bag for a different industry. Because nowadays, just because to optimize as much as possible container, space inside of 30 or 40 feet containers, customer is always demanding that we have to utilize as much as possible space inside of a container. So they are just increasing the length of the jumbo bag so that they can easily add more product in a single payment size of the bag. So this solution is mainly innovate and designed for that particular application. Now this solution is available with and without pallet application. Like you can see here, it's a with pallet solution, but this can also be utilized for without pallet applications for that. Okay, so the next solution is an air packer, which is also, in demand right now for Indian industry. Different type of that, specifically for where we have an application for handling of dusty and powdery product. So this is actually a fully automatic version of this solution. Yeah. So in which you can see it's a 2 to 3 spout of wall packing system, having it for auto applicator system, in which you can place the bags. It can be paper bag, it can be plastic bags all together, and this can easily fill through the force flow technology without having dust emission while doing a filling of this system. Apart from this, it is also designed in a way like we can get as much as improve accuracy, because handling of powder product and making a consistent accuracy is a very, very challenging task. But successfully we have completed innovations, and already so many lines is running in the market with all these features. So that is about the wall packing system. Just a moment. Okay, so this is another highly innovative design of our solution. This is basically a powerful tool to connect our equipments, PremierTech equipments, with a real-time data transfer from the production warehouse to the any multi locations of a customer, whether in India or international, anywhere. So with the help of these things, any of the top management or the production team or any R&D innovative team of the customer can easily trace the real-time data of the solution, and accordingly they can plan their maintenance and improvement of the line in order to different grades and different changeover of their product itself. So it's a very, very important tools. Now these are just a configuration for how it's connecting all together. So we have to just add a PLC control system which virtually connected through the internet, and then we put all the data to IoT cloud, and through this cloud customers can easily access all the data anywhere part of across the globe. So that's a networking configuration of this solution, and with the help of these things they can easily get all the production data, their operation and maintenance feedback, alarms, every data of the packaging system, including robotic or palletization system, in their portal, system or in a tablet itself. So that's a new innovation from PremierTech. Now come back to the upcoming, the product which we are under working on that way. So the first product is a bag in a bag. Which is coming under R&D solution and process, in which we are designing this system in a way like we can add consumer level packets into the bulk form, maybe 25, 50, or it can be a small level jumbo bagging system itself. Then the second innovative product is for the depalletizer. It is basically needs for handling of the RG, raw material goods, for any process industry, and of course chemical include way. Then the other solution is the truck container loading itself. So with the help of this innovative truck container loading, not only with a single SKU, but even we can load a complete palletized goods, palletless or with palletless, into the trucks and container. So these are the upcoming innovations and product launching from the PremierTech in coming year. These are the CS organization people. So CS is always be a good part of any I would say customer, because selling is a one part, but maintain and providing after sales support is a very, very important to sustain in the market. So we have just innovated these things and providing a complete satisfied solutions through our this team. So we have a 2 CS lead from the northeast and northwest and southeast over there. And we have a sales coordinator, dedicated sales coordinator for CS solutions, like after sales, deputation of engineers, and so on. These are the spare parts depot from PremierTech worldwide. So for Indian customer, as of now, it's in New Delhi, where we have a factory and manufacturing setup. But we also have a very aggressive plan to open up new spare parts depot specifically for the western part, because it's all depends on the density of the customer. So it's just a plan for upcoming years itself. Then these are the highly skilled client solution team. Basically, it's a part of service team who's not only responsible for a new installation but also providing service for ongoing and existing customers in terms of physical or virtual supports. And this is also a very important thing, that we are not always left our customer just for the selling a new equipment installed and just hand over to them. We also always be in touch with them to think about their upcoming plan for expansion or any kind of challenges what they are facing now. So based on the discussions, we used to do all the retrofit and upgradations which used to be come from the PremierTech sides. We always update to them and provided those upgradations in discussion with them, their project, and of course execution team itself. So that system is also be there. Yeah, so that's all from my side.